Hello everyone, it's Professor Sadiq Noor, and today I'm gonna show you how to work on your Tableau music store assignment in the cloud. So the first thing, let me share my screen and then follow the steps. You should be good to go. So the first thing is you will have to create the account in Tableau, right? So I created it. So, but if you have a problem getting to Tableau, the first thing is you will have to get to the tableau.com. So, tableau.com. Once you are here, you click the site. It's coming. So, if you don't have the account, you have to sign in, right? You will have to sign in for the online version Tableau, right? So you can go to sign in and then you will go down, and then when you're gonna hit the sign into Tableau Cloud, that's what we need, right? So you will click on it, and then it's gonna ask you for your username and password, right? So type your email, Morgan email, right? When you log in to you hit the sign in and everything, so then you will click on what I showed you earlier, sign in with your email, and then you will get the first screen like this, home and welcome to your Tableau site, right? So what you need to do in here is that you will go to your folder, right? So you will click on the home, or you can click this one, or you can click here, manage project. Once you have hit the manage project, then you see I created a folder regarding your class. So INSS one for the Monday night class, and this one here is for my INSS 141 Wednesday night. So for example, let's go to your Monday night class, and then here is some of the student that they already created the folder and the assignment is in here. So if you look at in my case also, I created one to show the student how to do the assignment, right? So I did like two of the steps are here. So what you need is the first thing is you have to create a folder. So I will go where it says new, click for the new, and then I will click on project to create the folder, and then I will say demo, and then I will click create. Now if you look, the demo folder has been created, right? So I will need this to publish when I am done with my steps, right? So now I will go to find out where is the assignment. I uploaded the assignment. The assignment is here. Inesis music store assignment. That's the assignment. So you don't need to upload anything. I uploaded the file. So click on the file. And then these are the sheets that you need to populate, right? By watching my YouTube channel for regarding this assignment. So you will click any of the worksheet. It doesn't matter. You can click the first, the second, the third, whatever. So I will click on the first one. Once you click the first one, right? Now you are not inside the Tableau yet. You will see the sheets that you clicked it and the other ones, right? So what you need is you should look for something says edit. You will click the edit, and then you are inside the Tableau now. And then if you see here, it was sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. I named it, right? So for example, you will do right click and then you will rename it, whatever the assignment is asking you. So here I created one for you that says John Ray sells the most, right? So now where is the direction? How I will know what I need to do in here? So what you need is you will go back to the canvas. You will log in. You will go to your class. You will go to modules. And then you will scroll all the way to week number 15. Week number 15. There you go. Week number 15, it talks about the Tableau stuff. That's the instruction here, how to do what they want you to complete. And then if you go a little bit down, then you need to upload. So the upload assignment is here. You have to upload with the finishing product, right? At the end, you have to upload the file. So the file will be the TWBX, right? Now, I will show you how to download the instruction. You will go a little bit up. You will click here. Then this is the instruction. That's what you need. This is the file. It's a PDF file you need to download in your computer, or it will open up in your browser. Right? So if you want to download, you will have to click this button here, the download button. So in this case, what I will do is just I will click it and it opens the instruction for me, right? So if you want, you can just hit download to download it. All right. So in this case, what I will do, I will read what they want me to do, right? So the first step is which genre sells the most, right? So I will do one for you to show you the first one. So drag the genre dimension to the rows. So let's get back to your online account of the Tableau, and you are in the music store assignment, right? So what you need to do here, this here is your dimensions. These are your dimensions. This here is the shelf, right? The shelf. And then here is the row and which column you want it, which of the dimension you want them to be as your row and which one you want them to be as your row. So if we go back to the assignment, let's say drag the genre dimension to rows. So look here in the dimension and look for genre. That's here genre. Hold the left key and drag it to the row. As you see, it's been populated. Now go back and read the next step. Drag the quantity measure to column. Notice that it will automatically aggregate the quantity using the sum, right? So we will go back, scroll a little bit down, the dimensions, and the one with the number, the data type, they are number like. You will see like a number sign, like a hash, all right? The text one will be ABC. So quantity, you need to drag it to the column. As you see, it gives us the sum aggregated function with the quantity, right? Now, if you look here, all the bar here, it shows that in a same color, right? So let's go and read the third step. Drag the genre dimension to color. Remember that you will have to use color with caution, but in our case, we will use this color to relate to another worksheet we will build in the next exercise. So what you need to do actually, the genre again from the dimension pane, you will drag it over the shelf, the color shelf. Why? Because we want this bar chart to change to different colors. As you see, change to different colors, right? And then if you notice in the left of the genre, it has the dot. That means you have used the color shelf, right? Now the other thing here, as you see, this guy here is like a pill. This is, we call it the pill because it looks like a pill, the pill that we swallow. Look, Look here. It looks like a pill. This one also, it looks like a pill. All right. This one here. This one here. It looks like what? Pills. All right. Now, once you have done that, the next thing we're gonna do, we have to read again what we need the next step to finish up the genre sells the most. So let's go back, and then we have to do now what? Click on the descending bar icon on the toolbar. So what we want to do, we want to get the highest genre, right? So what you need is, you see, this is the menu bar, and this is your toolbars. When you move your cursor over the toolbar, you will see the screen tip. It's gonna tell you what is what this icon is, right? So as moving them around the toolbar, you will see here it says sort of descending. So I will click on it, and you see now rock become the largest, right? So let's go back. So now click on the T icon on the toolbar to turn on the labels, right? So actually we want to turn on the labels. So if you look at the toolbar again, look for the T. Look for the T. You see here the T? Now in this case, if you click on it, it's gonna hide. See the label? If you want the label to show you the label, just click the T. See, I'm gonna click it. As you see now, I get the labels for the bar. So it tells me that the genre for rock is 2,362, the most sold, right? Now the next thing I want to do is let's go back and read the instruction. So we did the T icon, number 5, number 6. Drag the region dimension to the filter shelf. So we want to sort by region, like America, Asia, Europe, right? So we need to drag what? The region dimension to the filter shelf. So let's go back from the dimension area, look for a region. That's the region dimension, or the field. We call them field also. And drag it over the shelf that says filter. And it's gonna open up the filter for region, right? So let's go back and see what they want us to filter by. So choose, filter the region, choose Europe and Asia. So from the list here, from the drop down, click Asia and Europe. From these two region, we want to find which is the most being sold, the genre sold the most. And then click apply, click OK. So this is the two for Europe and for Asia. Now let's go back. The next one is right click the region pill in the filter shop to show the drop down, and then we need to apply to worksheet, and then we have to use all using this data source. So what they said is that's the filter region, the shelf that has the region. So if you click the small down arrow, and then go to apply to worksheets, and then you need to click on the second option, all using this data source. Click on it. All right. Next, number 8, right click the region pill in the filter shelf to show the drop down, and then select show filter. So obviously what we want to do, we want to display we need to display our the filter for the region. So you will go here, and then you will say show. As you see, when you hit the show filter, it show you in the right hand side. You see? Now the two region being selected is Asia and Europe, right? That's how we wanna filter the information, the records. Now let's go back. Now notice the top right display the another card that has all the region value with the check box right beside them. Your user can use this to interact with these worksheets. So what if your boss says, you know what, I don't want Europe. Can you show me North America? So that's the North America. What if your boss says, can you give me South America? You see, still the rock is the highest been sold. So I will take off the Europe. And let's say, what if you want to check North and South America? All right. So that's how you kind of see visualizing the stuff as you changing the filter, and as you see that everything is displaying the stuff now, right? Now we need to get it back to Europe, and we need Europe and Asia. All right, so that's what we need. The next thing, if you don't want this, you can hide it. You can go here, the legend, and you gonna say hide the legend. All right, you can hide it like this. And then if you don't want this, you can go here and say remove the filter. So what's gonna happen is it's gonna take out this. Or you can go to the shelf, the filter shelf, and then you can say remove the show. Now it's checked, means make it visible. If you don't want it, just check it, it's gonna take it off. Right, like this. Now the next thing we need, and the last thing is, what we need is right click on the bar of the top selling genre and choose annotate and then mark. So because John rock is the highest, so you will have to do right click on the bar, and then you will go to annotate, and then you will click on mark. It's gonna open a dialog box, all right? This one here, and then the genre and the quantity. So let's go back, and then let's see what we need. So what we need actually, they said that it should be top selling genre. So I will copy this. I will go, genre is already here. So I will go in the left of it and I will paste what I copied. Then I will go back here and I will copy sold. Go back and paste quantity sold. Right? Quantity. Let me copy it again. Control C to copy and paste. Give it a space. Quantity sold. It's gonna tell you what this salt is. Now, if you want, you can color it. You can just select this to make it a little bit different. And then you can go here, and then you can use any color. And then if you want this one, salt, highlight, then you will say apply, and then okay. Now we need to move the mark because it's over the bar, right? So click and until you see the blue border, and then you see the four white arrows, hold the left key and drag it wherever you want this to be. That's the first exercise. The first worksheet is done, right? So as you are doing your work, you will notice that it says draft because still I did not publish it to my folder, right? So next now what you need is you will go back here and then you will scroll down for the next one. So that's the next one. Which artists sell the most, right? So just you have to drag this stuff. All right, follow that. That's very, very easy stuff. Once you have done this, and also watch my video to show you how to complete all the steps. Now, I will go back here and let's assume that we have done with everything, right? Now it's time for me to publish my work. So let's say today you have done two or three worksheets here, see? And then you said the other two, I will do it tomorrow. So you have to publish it in your online account, in your Tableau. So to do that, you will go publish, or you can go here. So when you hit publish, it publish, but it doesn't publish the way we need. So what you need is go back to click the small down arrow and publish as. So when you hit publish as, right, you click the white drop down, right? You don't need to click publish, right? Sometime when you hit publish, you will get this because you want to publish your workbook. Like in Excel, the whole file is a workbook, right? So we want to save what we did on the cloud version of the Tableau. So now here you will have to go to your whatever your class is, Monday or Wednesday night. You will click on this arrow and look for your folder. So my folder is demo. I will click on it. That's what I created earlier before I start my assignment. So once I clicked here, and I will say Sadiq Music Store assignment, right? And then be sure the show sheets as a tab should be checked, and then click publish. Now everything is published to that demo folder, right? Now let's see. Today you said it's enough I did one of the worksheet, but tomorrow I will do the rest, and I want to get out of this. So as you see now here, your assignment doesn't say draft, it's been published, right? So you will go to file, you will close it. And then you will hit explore. That's the only sheet you did. So go to explore to take you back. Or you can click on your folder, demo, or you can go to your Monday class, which is the INIS Monday, and then look for your folder. So my folder is here, the demo, and you see one is done. Now, if I want to go back and let's say it's tomorrow and I want to do the other worksheet, I will click on this. So first, what you're gonna do, you're gonna log in, and then when you log in, you will be like this, right? You will click on Manage Project, and then you will go to your INIS Monday or Wednesday night class, and then look for your folder. Don't mess up with the other people's folder. So be sure to go to your folder. So that's my folder here. I will click on it, and then I will click like this. Now these are all the other sheets, right? But I didn't complete it yet. So I will click one of the worksheet, any one of it, so to get to the table. So I will click on it. And then you will have to click edit. Edit is very important. If you don't see this icon, you have to report to your professor about it, right? So when you hit edit, it's gonna take you straight to Tableau now, see? And it's gonna start with what you finished yesterday. So I will go now to find out the top 20 artists, and then I will go back and read the instruction for the second one, right? It's only 6 steps, that's it. So just follow the steps and everything. Now, once you have done with the step, you could go back and you can say publish, right? So I will hit publish. All right. Now, let's say that you already done all the stuff with the dashboard after watching my YouTube channel video. Then you will go now here. When you're done, you will hit publish because you want the what you have done also have to be published on the cloud and in your folder, right? So you could do like this and you can say publish as, so it's gonna be there, or you can just hit publish. So let's say if you do publish as again and the demo is here, then see it's gonna ask you for the name again. So because everything is done, so just hit published, right? And then you have to confirm if the thing that you did is it there. So for example, let me do one of these, the top 20, just one or two steps. Drag the artist dimension to the row. Drag the artist dimension to the row. All right. Now drag the quantity measure to the column. So go down to the quantity measurement and drag the pill quantity to the sum. All right, so it's done. Then go back and drag the genre dimension to the color because we want to make it colorful. So instead of being all blue color, so the genre. If you don't find any of the field or the column, just Google it from here, search it. So genre has to be colorful, as you see, all being colorful. So you will go back, and then they said drag the quantity measure label to the label shelf. So we need to drag the quantity measure to the label shelf. So look for the quantity again and drag it to the label because we want to display what are the quantity. See the numbers. Now let's go back and then look for the next one. They said notice that this places the generic pill in the mark shell with the color icon right beside it. Okay? It has the T. Remember the T is to display the labels and it shows you the labels, right? And if you look here, it's gray. So then you need to click the quantity, right? The sum quantity pill in the mark shell, show the on format and choose format. So let's go back here and click here, and then in the drop down look for format number. So let's go back from the drop down, choose format. We did in the default section, click on number down. So under this is number is standard. So let's go back, see what was that automatic. It has the decimal place, you see 0.000. We don't want that. We want to have a number. So then they said choose number standard. Number standard. You see now I don't have the decimal places with the label. Now go back and then close the box. So to close the box, just click anywhere. All right. In the white area of your right hand side of your worksheet. Now next is click on the right side of the artist pill in the row shelf. This will show the drop down and then choose filter and then let's go. So that's the artist shelf, and then this click the drop down and then show or edit filter. So let's go back and see what they said. So click the right of the pill shelf. This will show the drop down. Now choose filter. In the filter drop down, choose the top tab for tab. So let's go here. You can also do right click. Right, see, or click the white and then you can click edit. That's what we need, right? Then go to the top, bottom, and then we need to rank the top 20. All right. So quantity, and then we will need the sum. So we want to find the top 20 and the top 20 artists. And then you have to scroll a little bit down, click apply, and then click OK. All right. So that's my second one. It looks like I completed it. See, choose the field top 20 by quantity sum and click OK and done. So the second one is done. Now what I will do is I will publish it to my folder. The demo. Inside the demo now this should be there too. So once I'm done, it's publishing, as you see, just published. You can close this. Now I can go to file, close. If I don't want to do the other worksheet. And then I will go to explore, or I can go to my folder. Now here you will go to your Monday night class. And this is 141 Monday or Wednesday. And then I will go to my demo. So now I will click on it, the one sheet I have here. Now it's gonna show me how many worksheet I have completed as of now. Sometimes the site is so much crowded. So I can refresh it. It's coming, look. So now it should show me two of the stuff has been done. Look, 1 and 2. The top 20 artists and the genre sells the most, which is the rock, right? So now if I want to do the third one, I can click any of these one, look, like this. Just like it looks like my internet is a little bit lacking on the site is. So once it's open the first worksheet that you clicked it, then be sure to click on what? Edit. I'll go back. And if I click on the top 20, I will see what I did yesterday or today. And then the third one, then I will start the third one. And then I will go back and then I will read page number 3 for the third worksheet here, right? So for this one now, if you want to get more information, you will click a new tab and then you will go to youtube.com. I'm showing you everything now. And then you will go here and you will search your professor, Sadiq Nur. Now you will see my picture there. Click on it. Now I need more subscriber guys. So be sure to subscribe the channel. So click videos and then you have all your SimNet assignments are here from week number 9 all the way to week number 14. All the assignment, the guided one and the independent, all they are here. So if you go a little bit down, 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 you will see how to create music store using Tableau. So you will click on it. So number 3, we stopped at number 3, right? So number 3 is how do our region cells compare to each other? All right. Let me refresh it again. My internet is good. There you go. Hello everyone, it's Professor Sadiq Noor, and today okay. It's just, a little bit, it looks like the internet stuff. I will close it, I will do it again. I will click it. You can go to we have to the setting all here. The worksheets here in the bottom. You can make it HD. As you see. Now this one you don't need it at all. Already you have the downloaded instructions, so don't follow this. Just go to the next, just skip the video. Right, it has all the information. So the next thing is I will go to the in our first exercise. So let's see the third one. What does our geographical cell distribution look like? Click on the bar of the top cell engineer and choose the annotate. So click on the we did this. The bar, the top. This change. I show you to this. 20. So we need the third one. So from the measures cell distribution by region to the size shelf. So you will drag to the size shelf. All right. So that's your way you have to start your assignment to complete your assignment. Right? Almost. Next, you will notice that is it 38.49. That's the third worksheet. In the mark show, right? With so just keep on watching. You will create all the steps they ask you now to what do we need. And then if you go a little bit down, then the last thing is the dashboard. 3 dots. I will you will go to the dashboard. So just follow the steps in the video. No. So that will be the last worksheet. The last one. And then we have the dashboard. Just you have to drag it from here. Now we can add see our music dashboard here, like, oh, I want this to be here. I want this to be here. Then I want this number 3 to be here. There's only 5 worksheets you need to do. See? And then the last one. I'll do the chart here. Perfect. So now So you can once you have done, go ahead. You will go back, and let's assume that's the dashboard here. You did all the 5 worksheet and then dashboard. Then, like the dashboard is here, when you click it, and then here, you will see all your completed worksheet. You can scroll down to see which one is what, and then you can just drag it, look. And then you will grab the top 20. Then you need the third worksheet. You can just drag it wherever you want it. You want horizontal or vertical? So that's the third one, right? So once you have done something, it said draft. I will hit publish to publish it to my online folder that I created under the INSS 141 Monday or Wednesday night class. Now I'm done with everything, right? So what you need now, you will go to this here because we want to download the TWBX. That's the file extension of the Tableau, right? So you will click this and then you will hit Tableau workbook after you published it. Now that's the file should look like this. Siddiq Music Store Assignment TWBX, right? So once you have done, you will go to File. You will close everything. Then you can go to the main. You can go to your folder here, your INSS one for a Monday class, or you can go straight to your demo. So that's my demo worksheet or demo folder, and it has everything I created. If you click on one of the assignment, you see I did this, and I did also the dashboard. All right. So if you want to go back to your INS folder, you will click on it, and then I'm inside my INSS 141 Monday class if I'm in the Monday class or the Wednesday class, and that's my demo folder. All right. So I hope that you learn how to go through the music store assignment. Also, I will go back to the canvas. I will hit the back to go back to the assignment. Now, once you have done right, week number 15, you will go a little bit down. You will click here, Tableau assignment music. So to upload the file that you just downloaded from your cloud account. So you will click on it, and then you will, because I'm the professor, right? So let me say view as a student. But if you completed it online in your folder, everything is done. All the 6 worksheet is done there online. So just you have to email me that you have done it there. So if you save the master file and then you see you need to upload it. So I will go down. I will hit upload just to show you. Upload. Let's see if that's gonna work. Or I can just click here. And then I will go to my downloads. And that's the file you need. So select, open, and then you see it says Sadiq Music Assignment TWBX, and then hit what? Submit. So that will submit the assignment, and you are done. So I hope that you learned the step how to complete the assignment, the Tableau assignment, the music store. So you learn all the steps, and I hope you will complete the assignment well. So thank you so much for for watching my video, and be sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like my channel so I can create more videos, more productive videos for you, right? So thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.